862 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000, fighting of 150.
150 on the heading, 4,000 feet on the altitude, United 862. Set our traffic here at 2 o'clock now for United 862.
And 862 Heavy, that's correct. The Airbus on final for the left runway. Follow them to the airport. They are for the left. You are cleared visual approach runway 28 right.
Okay, follow that traffic. Cleared to visual 28 right, United 862.
United 862 Heavy, nice job. Contact San Francisco Tower. 120.5. You have a great day.
United 862, good day, sir.
Line open, wait for Canada 758.
November 737 Golf Mike, San Francisco Tower, maintain VFR to below 2,000 west of Highway 101, San Francisco altimeter 29901, say again, altitude.
Currently 1,800 and Wilco on the altitude 7 Golf Mike.
Go 6621, wind 120 at 3, runway 1 left, close takeoff, caution, wake turbulence.
Clear for takeoff, 1 left for Sky 5621.
Nippon Cargo 175 Heavy, contact NorCal departure.
Contact departure, Nippon Cargo 175 Heavy.
Canada 758 to Brasilia, to your left, we'll turn away, runway 1 right, close takeoff, wind 110 at 3, caution, wake turbulence, the Boeing 757 ahead.
Air Canada 758, so clear for takeoff 01 right.
Go 5473, San Francisco Tower, runway 1 left, line up and wait, traffic landing, runway 28 left, runway 2 right.
1 left, line up for wait, Skywest 5473.
With 1951, San Francisco Tower, traffic holding in position, runway 1 left, runway 28 left, go to land, it's shortened, and the wind is 110 at 4.
Clear to land, 28 left, shortened, Redwood 1951.
At 862, Heavy, San Francisco Tower, traffic holding in position, runway 1 left, runway 28 right, go to land, wind 110 at 4, plan to roll to Quebec.
Clear to land, 28 right, we're going to gate 96, United 862 Heavy.
This is 7 Golf Mike, traffic 1 o'clock, 4 miles westbound, climbing 2,500, a heavy Boeing 747 departed San Francisco.
Insight and caution wake for 7 Golf Mike.
Number 7 Golf Mike, maintain visual separation, heavy Boeing 747, caution, wake turbulence.
We'll maintain visual, caution wake, 7 Golf Mike.
Sky 5621, contact NorCal departure.
Sky 5621, see ya.
Take care. Air Canada 758, contact NorCal departure.
Air Canada 758, good day.
Good day.
San Francisco Tower, left for 2608, some final 28 right official.
Land Peru 2608 Heavy, San Francisco Tower, caution, wake turbulence, heavy Boeing 747, short funnel, runway 28 right, good land, wind 110 at 4.
Clear to land 28 right, altitude 2608. Good morning.
Bon dia. This is 7 Golf Mike, when able, advise intentions at 101.92 energy.
7 Golf Mike, like a bridge transition.
The 7 Golf Mike, bridge transition approved at or below 1,000 east of the San Francisco.
7 Golf Mike, welcome.
Aruba 1951, turn left when able, contact ground on 124.25.
2425, Redwood 1951.
Go 5473, shortly after departure, passing off your left, southbound VFR Cessna 2000. Wind 110 at 3, runway 1 left, let's take off.
We'll be looking 1 left, clear for takeoff, Skywest 5473.
The 7 Golf Mike, traffic departure roll, runway 1 left, a Skywest Brasilia, they'll be climbing, passing off your left.
7 Golf Mike, roger, we're looking.
United 862 Heavy, turn left at high speed Quebec, cross runway 2.
And with that nice landing and our early arrival into San Francisco, we would like to welcome you. It is Tuesday morning, June 19th, and the approximate time is 8:30 a.m. Please remain comfortably seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. At this time, please ensure you have all your personal belongings, and please take extra care when opening the overhead compartments, as contents may have shifted during our flight. The use of mobile phones is now permitted. For those customers who are unfamiliar with our terminal in San Francisco, there are terminal maps located in the Hemisphere magazine. Once inside the terminal, please check airport monitors for current connecting gate information. Once you do deplane, please proceed directly to the passport control and enter the appropriate queue for U.S. citizen residents or visitors. Once you have cleared through the passport control, proceed to the baggage claim to recover your check articles. If you are connecting to another flight and you have checked luggage, please continue to the baggage recheck area to drop those articles with a United representative. Anyone seeking any further assistance here in San Fran, we will have a representative meeting the flight that will be more than happy to assist you. On behalf of all employees at the New United, your Star Alliance network, and especially your Hong Kong-based crew, we would like to thank you for joining us today. We look forward to serving you again in the near future. Good morning.